Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a simple dessert which is a panna cotta. This is a panna cotta with a strawberry compote topping. Panna cotta is basically an Italian dessert made with cooked cream and you set it with gelatin. So first we'll soak 2 teaspoons gelatin in 1/4 cup water. And then over a double boiler on low heat you have to cook half tin condensed milk, half tin milk, 1 packet or 250 ml fresh cream, now cook it on low heat or over a double boiler. It's better if you cook it on a double boiler and cook until it starts getting thick. And to that you have to add 2 tablespoons corn flour, and once it's thick you have to add the soaked gelatin and have to cook it till the gelatin dissolves. The corn flour has almost dissolved, and now you can add the gelatin which was soaked in water. Make sure that you cook it till the gelatin melts. So once it's thick, you can switch off the flame and keep it aside. When it cools down, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to it and pour it into shot glasses or ramekins, but I have taken a normal glass and 1 pudding dish. And you need to refrigerate it for about 2 hours. Now for the topping, we are making strawberry compote. For that you have to take a small pan and you have to add half cup strawberry crush. Or in case you are using fresh strawberries, you can use strawberries and sugar. And then half cup water, 1 tablespoon corn flour and half tablespoon butter. And I have to cook all these over low heat till it thickens. So once you get a thick saucy consistency, you can switch off the flame, and when it cools down you can pour it over the panna cotta. And your panna cotta is ready. Please do try it out and let me know your comments. Thank you.